Oh, I just saw 2 deer run that direction. Okay, everybody, welcome back to Outdoor Homesteads, and today we're going to do something a little different related to deer attractants. Last year I made a recipe that worked great, but that was just something fun to do. I have a lot of deer coming to my feeders, so this time we're going to do like a fruit salad. We are 2 months away from archery season. Very exciting time. So at this time I like to try something different, some experiments to see how deer react. I do have a lot of deer coming to this feeder every day, twice a day. So I know they're coming here. I am on the southwest corner of the property. They stop here and they move forward, going north to drink water. They stop in one pond, they stop on the second pond, and then they travel northeast to the other feeder. So I'm just gonna give them a little extra, something that doesn't cost much. I think the total investment was close to $14. So we're gonna give them a fruit salad with different types of fruit, some Kool-Aid and some sugar, because I know they like sweet stuff. So let me show you what we're going to mix here. Okay, so here what we have is some green apples, red apples. Underneath we got some watermelon, some peaches. We have some sugar and some Kool-Aid. Now I know deer love Kool-Aid, so we're gonna mix it all together and we're gonna throw it on the ground. That's the best way for this to work. So I'm gonna put some apples in here. This is what we're gonna call the shake and bake. There's a peach, some watermelon, and if you're gonna do this, don't forget your Ziploc bags. A little bit more. Throw some Kool-Aid in here. Sweet. And we're gonna throw in some sugar, like half. And now we're gonna shake it real well. Yep, there you go. That is the mix. It should work really well. Now we're going to do the same thing with this other bag, and we're going to go to the other feeder. There you go, the shake and bake. This looks pretty good. Let me eat a piece. This is really good. Okay, what are we gonna do now? So I'm not gonna throw it underneath the feeder. I'm gonna throw it in this open area right here. I guess better access to it. But the deer have been getting under the feeder for the corn. So let me show you how we do it. Definitely a sweet smell all around at this point. So I just saw a couple of deer running that direction. I think they're gonna come back. So let's go to the other feeder location and see what's going on over there. Okay, this is the other location in the northeast side of the property. I have my feeder right here, and this place gets filled with deer constantly. There's a lot of deer coming through, so I'm just gonna give them a little extra so they keep on coming. The downside of this deer attractant is it's so good, it will attract other animals, and that's okay. I like to give back to nature, right? But you're going to see birds, a lot of birds. You're going to see raccoons and hogs, unfortunately. But hey, what are you gonna do? I also see deer, some bobcats, and whatever else, maybe some ants, who knows. But this is a really good attractant if you want to give it a try. So we're gonna throw some on the ground just like we did on the other side. And before I throw it, I'm gonna have another piece because it's really good. You should try it. We got some green apple. I'm sure the deer are gonna be very happy. Anyways, that's sweet. This is just an experiment. I like to experiment with different things right before deer season. This feeder is already established. I get at least 6 to 7 deer coming here a day, twice a day or more. However, deer will disappear around November when all the acorns drop, but that's okay because they'll come back. They know that there's food here when they run out of food out there, and I have water. So anyways, if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. Tell me your thoughts. If there's any other deer attractant that I should try, hey, I'll try it, right? Deer hunting, nothing's perfect, but we can continue to learn. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.